reason that occurred to me to ride my bike to and from work, because it's been a lifelong battle against the bulge, and you know, it's any way to combat, you know, being overweight, pretty much fat, pretty much, and everything that comes with it. Being overweight, unhealthy. Yeah, you can be overweight and be, well, I don't know, I guess healthy, but you know, I don't know, it's just my own battle that I'm trying to win. I've been battling it for a long time. I remember, quick story, I remember I was in Pop Warner. Me and my brother would play Pop Warner football for the Paso Heights Cougars. Cougars? Yeah. We got a game. I was stoked. Alright, I'm gonna play. What happened? There was a weight limit, even for the kids division. Oh yeah, gotta keep them safe, you know. And I think I was over maybe a couple of pounds, 3 or 4 pounds, 5 pounds maybe, and nothing crazy, but I guess, you know, they gotta abide by the rules. And I remember the coach, you know, telling me, throw a bag on over your body, your torso, and start doing laps, and maybe by halftime you'll be able to play. Long story short, there I am, running laps. Running laps, trying to lose, you know, the little weight that I was over. Here comes halftime, nothing. Third quarter, nothing. Fourth quarter, let's just go home. So yeah, I remember that. Thinking about it now kind of sucks, you know. Why would you do that to a kid? I get it, you know, there's rules, but you know, instead of having them, you know, it's kind of like putting the carrot in front of the donkey. Here you go, here you go. And yeah, kind of stuck with me, so just thought I'd share that. Anyways, it's my battle against the bulge. I've been you know, I've lost weight before.